How to set password on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. From the menu on left, click on Accounts. Click on the Signing options. Here, you will see various authentication options. In order to enable all of them, you will have to create a password first. Click on Password. Then click on Add. In the new window, add your new password. Enter new password again to confirm it. Now write a password hint. And then click on Next. Click on Finish. And you are all set up. That's how you can set password on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.